JT Appliance Inc. is a family-owned and operated company. The firm recognizes that customers may need urgent repairs at any time, day or night. From a broken compressor to an ice machine that produces cloudy water, the firm offers 24/7 servicing. The company's trained technicians fix all brands, types, or models of residential or industrial appliances. The firm services appliances that include walk-in coolers, ranges, garbage disposals, and gas appliances. Click on the link in the description to learn more.